this 2026 routine.
It's 6 a.m. Your alarm rings, and that moment decides more than you realize. You either start building the man you will become in 2026, or you repeat the same patterns that have kept you stuck for years. Most men don't fail because they lack intelligence or potential. They fail because their days are unstructured. They wake up late, scroll without intention, react to everything around them, and reach the end of the day feeling busy but unproductive. At night, they tell themselves tomorrow will be different, but without structure, tomorrow never changes. If you want 2026 to be different, your daily routine must change first. This is a simple but powerful routine designed to give you clarity, discipline, and consistency. Your day begins in the morning. Wake up at the same time every day without hitting snooze. Drink a glass of water to rehydrate your body and wake your system up. Make your bed immediately. It may seem small, but it sets the tone and gives you your first sense of control for the day. Spend the next 10 minutes resetting your mind. Use meditation or deep breathing to slow down your thoughts and bring focus back to the present. Starting the day with a calm mind makes it easier to stay disciplined when pressure shows up. Then move your body for 20 to 30 minutes. This can be a workout, stretching, yoga, or a walk. Movement improves energy, motivation, and mental clarity. Follow this with a clean breakfast that is high in protein and includes fruits. Avoid heavy junk food or sugar early in the day as they reduce focus and energy. Read for 20 minutes. Choose topics like self-improvement, business, mindset, or psychology. This ensures your thinking is intentional before distractions take over. In the afternoon, block 1 to 2 hours for focused, deep work. No social media and no unnecessary notifications. This is where meaningful progress happens. Spend time learning or improving one skill daily, whether it's coding, communication, language, or business. Skills compound over time and create long-term opportunities. Eat a clean lunch without overeating and drink water instead of sugary drinks. After eating, take a short walk in the sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes. This improves mood, metabolism, and mental clarity. Limit screen time by checking your phone only at fixed times instead of constantly throughout the day. In the evening, focus on recovery and planning. Do light physical activity like walking, jogging, or cycling to reduce stress. Spend 5 minutes planning the next day by writing your tasks and choosing the top 3 priorities. Planning removes confusion and saves mental energy. Dedicate time to personal growth, whether through a side hustle, learning a new skill, or reading. Make space to talk with family or a close friend. Social connection supports mental health and balance. At night, avoid your phone for 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Take a shower, clean your room, and create a calm environment. Sleep 7 to 8 hours at the same time every night. Consistent sleep is essential for discipline and long-term performance. Don't wait for 2026 to change your life. Build the habits now. Follow this routine.